How to make background black in TikTok. To get started, you first need to open up the CapCut application on your phone. Once you are in, tap on New Project. After that, select a video from the gallery section. Then, tap on Add at the bottom right corner. After that, go to the end of the video and remove that CapCut slide from the video. Tap on the video. Then, from the option below, select Remove BG. After that, tap on Auto Removal. You will notice the background has been removed. Then, tap on the Chroma key option from here. Make adjustments here and tap on the tick mark. You will see the background has been removed from the video. Now, tap on the Export button at the top right corner. Once the video is successfully exported, tap on Share to TikTok button. It will directly take you to the TikTok application. Now, from this page, tap on the Next button. There you go. Your video is ready to be posted. So, by following these simple steps, you can easily make background black in TikTok.